Hello everyone, welcome to Study Guide Forum. Today we'll be going to looking at how to test for ammonium trioxocarbonate. The ammonium trioxocarbonate we are going to be testing, we will tag it F. And you know, we are looking at how we can test it in what? In solution. In solution, that means that is the arrangement we have here. In this arrangement, F, which stands for the ammonium trioxocarbonate, plus distilled water, what we have, that is like testing its solubility. You find out that this, what you observe there is that it's soluble, and then it will have and is a clear solution. Clear solution. And then if it's a clear solution, perhaps if you don't really know what you have as your F in this, the ions that are likely to be there, then in your inference, there are some ions that can do this. Sodium ion can do this. Potassium ion also can do something like that. Ammonium ion can do that. And some other ions that you can also expect is something like triazonitrate ion, which is soluble in every case. And then you can also look at having um, hydrogen triazocarbonate, for ion too, which is also, we can say now, likely present. All these ions are very soluble. All these ions listed here, they are all soluble. Now, having done that, in order to test for what we are looking for, the F in question, so the solution of this F, a portion of the solution from what we got here, in order to continue our test, you add dilute sodium hydroxide and heat plus gentle heating. Now, all ammonium salt liberates ammonia on heating with sodium hydroxide. So on heating this, what you observe is a pungent smell, colorless gas with pungent smell. Now, if you test it with a litmus paper, it will turn red, litmus paper blue. So what is telling us here is the gas that's coming out is what? Alkaline. It's an alkaline gas, and then if it's alkaline gas, it means also that is also it's likely to be ammonium gas coming out, because ammonium gas is known to be the only what alkaline gas likely present. That's what we have present there. So the mixture from above now, while the heating is still on, you can then get a gas rod, dip it into conc hydrochloric acid or perhaps dilute hydrochloric acid, then place it in the gas that's coming out. What you notice is what you have a dense white fume. This white fume indicates that what you have there is what? Ammonium gas, and then ammonium ion confirmed. Now, ammonia normally form dense white fume with hydrochloric acid. That dense white film is ammonium chloride. So we can go ahead. Now we've been able to identify the ion, that is the ammonium ion in the in our test. So the next one we're going to do here is we are going to be looking at how to really identify this very trioxocarbonate 4. And if you are joining us for the first time, we will encourage you to subscribe. And if you have any question, you can also leave it in the comment section. We can always attend to you. And we want you to share and then like our channel. Thank you so much. Let's continue with what we're doing. And the next one we're going. So the next test, we are going to be testing for the trioxocarbonate in this ammonium trioxocarbonate. The first thing we have done here is that we've been able to, identify the ammonium ion. Now, in the same solution that we have, we can also identify trioxocarbonate. The first test here we have, look at the test, another solution of the portion of the solution of solution from that solution we had. Add dilute hydrochloric acid. When you add dilute hydrochloric acid to that, what you notice is that there will be a gas. A gas will come out. That gas will be colorless gas, odorless gas that turns red litmus paper. What am I doing, sef? Litmus paper. Oh, that turns blue litmus paper, not red, please. Blue litmus paper, red, and then this gas, when you bubble into lime water, you will notice that it turns it what? Turns milky. This confirms the presence of, that means carbon 4 or carbon 4 gas is there. We can be there. We have a trioxocarbonate 4 ion or hydrogen trioxocarbonate 4 ion that is present because that's the only carbon 4 that will come out from any of these ions. This carbon 4 gas is there because turning it milky and the blue litmus paper red, then it means that it must be coming from trioxocarbonate 4 ion or hydrogen trioxocarbonate 4 ion. Now, another portion of that, you add barium chloride. What you notice here is white precipitate, PPT. This white PPT indicates the presence of trioxosulfate 4 ion and tetraoxo sulfate 6 ion and also trioxocarbonate 4 ion. That is what it indicates because barium chloride will always form white precipitate with any of these. Then by adding plus dilute hydrochloric acid, you have soluble. Now, because it's soluble, and we have already noticed that the gas turned lime water milky, is no other gas than carbon 4 confirmed. Now here, trioxocarbonate sulfate 4 ion can give you white precipitate, which will also be soluble. But now, in the case, if this gas is there, if this ion is there, it means that the gas you have here will be pungent smell. To have the gas that will be liberated here should be pungent smell. But the fact it's odorless, colorless, it means that it's likely to be this. That means carbon 4 confirmed, and then the same test can be carried out using nitrates, triazonitrate 5 solution, and then you add another thing you can add to it. You can also add dilute nitrate 5 acid. Now, when you add them together to that solution, add add silver nitrate, silver trioxocarbonate 5 solution. When you add it to it, you have a white precipitate, white PPT, which confirms the presence of um, it could be silver nitrate has precipitate of white precipitate of chloride ion, or trioxocarbonate 4 ion. So in this case, by adding silver dilute nitrate 5 acid, you notice that if it's this gas, what you notice there is that it will be soluble. Why am I writing white? Soluble, and then confirms trioxocarbonate 5 ion and also carbon 4 gas. Now, because these two gases, this one will be insoluble when you add the acid, while by adding the acid, being soluble means that this other one is there. Trioxocarbonate 5 ion is there. So thank you so much for being part of this class. If you have not subscribed, we want you to subscribe, and then if you have any question, you can leave your question as a comment. I will always attend to you. Thank you so much.